Hi everyone, Ishani from ARGOS Labs here. I will explain OCR Action Tool in this short video. ARGOS Scenario Studio has a built-in OCR tool. It allows the robot to read an image and to convert it to text data. It works just like the Locate Image and Click tool, where you have to specify an image on a screen and an area to perform OCR in reference to the location of the image. ARGOS OCR has more than 10 templates that you can try and choose to best read the image characters. You can access these templates by clicking on this cogwheel right here. Okay, now let's test run it.